It's dead silent in the class. And suddenly, your stomach decides to drop the bass. It growls so loud, people think that there's a T-Rex hiding under your desk. But why does this always happen at the worst possible moment? Well, your stomach isn't just being dramatic. It's actually doing a maintenance check. When your stomach is empty, your intestines start squeezing air around like a weird internal accordion. Scientists call this the migrating motor complex, but let's be honest, it's just your body's way of yelling, "Feed me!" The growls get louder when your stomach has nothing to muffle the sound because food equals soundproofing. So yeah, your stomach is basically just trying to start a one-person rock concert. The good news, it's totally normal. And it actually helps clean out the leftover food bits. The bad news, it always happens during a quiet test or a job interview. Next time, just casually say, "Oh, that? Just my stomach's new mixtape." Want more weird body facts? Hit that subscribe button and let's keep the science fun.